Hi guys, what's up? Subwoofer box. I still don't have the subwoofer. I have no idea where I'm going to get it. I can still make the subwoofer box because I know the depth of this subwoofer. This net volume should be about 14-15 liters. Subwoofer takes maybe 2-3 liters, so about 17 liters should be the net volume. I could do it square. That would be kind of boring. So I'm going to try something. I'm sure that no one else in the world tried this way to make a subwoofer box. Maybe there was a reason for that. Maybe it's stupid. I'm going to do it anyway. I think it could be 60 centimeters. This is plywood, 12 millimeters thick. It's not very thick. It's the thickest I can use, otherwise I can't fit the subwoofer there. It's going to be the bottom and the top of this box. Okay, that's maybe not even the real plywood. Sperholz Pappel Pro from Spain. So, middle point. Next I'm going to make a slot here. It's going to be about 5 millimeters deep and about 1 centimeter wide all around and to both of these pieces.
Coffee, out the day, take your time, never go to work.
Yes, I know. It looks pretty bad at the moment. Don't lose your hope yet. I have a plan.
Break the bricks. Monkey's time. Half a days. Spend the time. Do your thing. Bathroom choice. Go to trips. This is mine. Break the bricks. Monkey's time. Half a days. Spend the time. Do your thing. Do your stuff. Get over it. Start with it. Take your time.
Okay, that's my plan. I'm going to glue here layers about like this. Maybe 4, maybe even 5 layers. I'm pretty sure that it's going to be strong enough. To glue these here, it's going to be a challenge. It's going to be fun. Okay, it was a little bit of a challenge to put this first layer here. There is no glue yet. This Wolfgrad belt, clamp, whatever it's called, it's holding this now in place. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to glue I'm going to glue here inside a piece of wood. I will let it dry very good. After that I can take this clamp away and then I can start to put more layers, and then after that it should be pretty easy thing to do. Okay, let's do this.
Get over it. Start with it. Take your time. Fascinate.
I need lots of clamps.
We cannot think about.
So I will now glue this here. I think I should do this in the first place, but I didn't, so I will glue it now.
Now talk to me. Tell me things I want to hear. How we go to sleep. We wake to feel.
Feels very strong. Now I can start to put more layers. That's now the last layer. Then there is 5 layers all together and it is strong. When this is dry, I will go and actually fit this into my car, that if it still fit like I was planning. Now I will just let it dry. Pretty good fit. Height is also perfect. It's coming this upper part. I think it's spot on. Obviously I have to think about something that this is not moving here when I'm driving. So here maybe I will do something that it will attach here. But it should be also removable without any tools. If I'm driving, I don't have many tools with me. But I think it looks pretty good.